A one-day workshop cum training program on the schemes of the National Legal Services Authority was held today, in which the Chief Justice High Court of Meghalaya, Shri Justice A. Vidyanathan, lamented that welfare schemes do not reach the needy. The Chief Justice, who is also the Patron-in-Chief of Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority, said that abject poverty is a result of people, especially rural areas, being deprived of welfare schemes. He added that in a welfare state, people should have equal access to justice irrespective of constraints as well as differences in socio-economic backgrounds. The Chief Justice said that impartial administration of justice can be achieved by creating awareness to the public about legal services.
Irrespective of constraints as well as differences in socio-economic backgrounds, for which legal aid services is one of the essential functions. This is in consonance with the mandate of our Constitution, ensuring equality among all sects of people before the law and equal protection of law.